Hello everyone and welcome to Barefoot Minis. I have Barefoot Minis Victory out here for a hoof trim with the nippers and then the angle grinder. Now he's not totally enthused at this idea. He's usually with his dad, so he doesn't really like to be separated from him, but look at those hooves. They have just grown out of control. So I'm gonna get them done as much as I can. These are the two things that I'm gonna use for now to just get them started before I use the mini angle grinder. And it's wet and muddy again. Wow, but look at how tall these hooves are. It's ridiculous. His feet just, when they get tall like this, they don't make contact with the frog. And because they don't make contact with the frog, it shrivels away. It needs contact with the ground so it doesn't shrivel. So that's woeful. Back feet don't look too bad. Oh, but they do. Oh no, Victory. You need your hoofs trimmed, my friend. Well, I guess this is a good overgrown hoof demonstration. A trim of an overgrown hoof demonstration. Ever since he was born, his hooves have just grown out of control. I should put cinnamon in his feet too, instead of just his dad's feet. See if it helps reduce the growth. Hey, hold still. Victory? Victory. It's always this foot on all my horses. I don't know why. It's all fine. It's all fine and dandy. Okay, next with the trimmer. The nippers. Move over, Victory. There you go. First hoof first. And we have to go all the way. I guess I'll start here. All right, I'm gonna put us down and see how it looks. Quite a bit better. Back to the back one. Okay, stop squiggly wiggling. You're fine. Victory, stop. Two down, two to go. Hi. Hi, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to get your elbow, buddy. Hang on. I said sorry. It's gonna really help using the angle grinders to get his heels down. Hey! Don't chew the wood. Alrighty. It's good enough for now. Okay, let's see what we have for hoof. That's a rough nippers. Now we need to go on to, I said don't chew the wood, my friend. The mini angle grinders. That I need my chainmail glove. Keep this glove on this hand. Chainmail glove on the left hand. And my mask, which is a pretty dusty dust mask, but gotta make sure I get it tight so I'm not breathing in hoof dust and fogging up my glasses. Remember? Not scary, huh? All right, we always start with the back hoof. And we gotta start all over. Come on. Whoa. 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 Okay. All right. Hoof number 1 done. Woo! All right, move over. This is usually the bad hoof, so we'll see how that goes. Okay. All right, I think that one's done. I think he kicked out a little. All right, victory. I'm looking at it. Needs a little bit of the quarter outer toe done a little more. Whoa, right there. There, good boy. Last 2. All right. It really cuts my hoof trimming in half. Hi, buddy. Okay, give me this foot. All right, one more hoof and we're done. Oh, it wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad, victory. All right, give me your foot. Okay, you hold still. It's the last one. It's okay. Okay. All right. How could I improve this? I could definitely improve this. I need to do a little bit more on this hoof. Give me this foot. Good boy. You're nuzzling me. All right, actually, that took off more than I planned, so I'm just gonna nipper it. And Victory was excellent for the front hooves. I'm gonna get you right here. It still has way too much heels. All right, that one's improved. Gonna fine tune it and then be done. Perfect. Now, will you let me just get it this way a little? I can't see what's going on, that's the problem. Here, here, here. All right, that's a little bit better. Why are you so loose? Just like your half sister, you don't tie very, very good. All right, a little bit more. Oh, very still, buddy. Oh, very still, buddy. Little boy. Okay. All right, that's good. Very good, Victory. Very good. Just a little bad for the back ones. Can you stand straight for me? Just stand up on a lump. Victory, come here. Okay, actually that hoof is looking really good. I need to see you on the other side to make sure that other hoof is good. Come on. You need to come over here and face me. Okay. Come here. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it looks. I'd say that looks pretty good. A good trim vastly improves leg conformation. If they're crooked at all, and you trim them symmetrically and correctly and do correct trimming, you vastly improve their front, their rear angulation, and their overall ability to move properly. So, looking so much better, Victory. Thank you guys for watching and coming along with me as I risk my life with the mini angle grinder and a little 2-year-old stud. Want a cookie, bud? Jesus loves you.